The Southwire Romex brand SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box spearheads the forefront of innovation with its proprietary built-in hole saw that ensures you drill a perfectly sized hole every time. The Shark Tooth Fixture Box is UL listed and features a 9x16 lug for easy installation. Using your cordless drill and a 9x16 driver, simply place the pilot guide pin on your center mark. As you start to drill, be sure to angle the box 5 to 7 degrees. And our patented integrated hole saw will do the rest. The included hole saw ensures you cut a perfect hole every time. Once the perfect hole is cut, discard the hole saw blade. Run your wire through the built-in non-metallic wire clamps and insert the fixture box into the hole. Upon properly positioning the box, simply tighten the 3 swing clamps to safely secure the fixture box to the drywall. As with all SmartBox boxes, all 6x32 device holes are machine threaded, and non-metallic cable clamps are built right into the design. With its integrated hole saw and 9x16 lug, fixture mounting is now easier than ever, making this box ideal for pendant lighting smoke detectors, wall sconces, and small fixtures. Be sure to ask for Romex brand SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box to ensure your job is outfitted with the box designed by an electrician for electricians.